Okay, so in our last video here, we made this equilateral triangle. And in this video, we're going to make a perpendicular bisector, and it's going to follow pretty much the same steps at first as making the equilateral triangle. So I'm going to hit the rewind or button. We'll start all over again. Okay, so first, we made our segment. Oops. All I need to do, actually delete that point. Okay. Down here a little bit, take my compass. I'm going to mark off those two right there. Now, if we placed our point up here, then we could draw our equilateral triangle. That's how we started. Now, if I want to do a perpendicular bisector, notice I could also have done this equilateral triangle down here, and I could cut both of those straight in half, and that would cut through this line segment. It's going to cut it right in half. It's going to cut it at a 90-degree angle. So let's do that. Use a line. We'll go from here right down to here. Now notice the perpendicular bisector is the set of all points that are the same distance from the two endpoints here. Right? And to draw that perpendicular bisector, I just need to find 2 points that are both the same distance from A as they are from B. And that will be a point down here. It's the same distance from A as it is from B. And a point up here. It's the same distance from A as it is from B. And I connect them with a line. Those 2 points could be anywhere. I could have picked a point here or down here, but it was just convenient to draw these two. So, just to show that this really is our perpendicular bisector, I'm going to put a point right here where they meet. We're going to do a couple things. We're going to first mark the angle in between them. So we'll go click, click, click. You see it's a 90-degree angle. Next I'm going to go to my length thing, and I'm going to mark A to E. That label out of the way is 1.54. And then E to B is also, grab the label, now it's 1.42, but they're the same. So this line cuts the distance from A to B exactly in half and does so at a 90-degree angle. Now just kind of clean up a little bit, take away the circles so I'll see them, and I'm done. Now, what I should be able to see when you turn yours in is I should just see the segment AB, the line cutting through it. We don't need to label these 2 points up here, it's not really necessary. I should see the angle marked, 90 degrees, and the two distances marked down here. And I should be able to drag this and move it around and see that the angle always stays the same and that the two distances stay the same, so that it's perpendicular and a bisector. Perpendicular 90-degree angle, bisector, the two halves are equal. All right, good luck.